In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add payment method in Steam Wallet. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what to expect on each screen, and a few tips to make checkout smooth and secure. Start by opening Steam on your computer. At the to right, look for your profile name or avatar. Click your profile to open your account menu. From there, choose Account Details. This takes you to the area where Steam manages your store preferences, purchase history, and wallet settings, so it's the perfect place to add or update how you pay. On the Account Details page, find and click Add Funds to your Steam wallet. This is where Steam collects all wallet-related actions. You'll typically see your current wallet balance and regional options for adding money. When you're ready to proceed, click Add Funds. That button opens the checkout flow and prepares Steam to save a payment method you can use going forward. Next, select the payment method you want to use. Steam supports popular options, and availability can vary by country. Common choices include PayPal or a major card such as Visa. Pick whichever you prefer for your region. If you're deciding between options, cards are straightforward and fast, while PayPal can be convenient if you like to keep card details centralized in your PayPal account. After choosing your method, enter the billing information. For cards, that usually means the card number, expiration date, security code, and the billing address associated with the card. Accuracy matters here. Make sure the name and address match exactly what your bank has on file to avoid declines. If you selected PayPal, you'll be guided to log in and confirm through PayPal's secure window. Either way, keep your details private and only enter them in Steam's official checkout. Once everything looks correct, click Continue. Steam may briefly verify your details, and depending on your bank or region, you could see an additional confirmation step like a one-time code or an approval prompt in your banking app. That's normal and helps protect your account. When the process completes, your payment method will be saved with Steam, and you'll see the wallet funding reflected in your balance shortly. That's it. You clicked your profile, opened account details, went to add funds to your Steam wallet, pressed add funds, chose a payment method like PayPal or Visa, entered your billing information, and clicked continue. You're now set to make quick, secure purchases on Steam without re-entering details every time.